To fix the issue of the pay over time feature not showing up, first ensure that your account is verified by providing necessary personal information, such as your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Note that not all users are eligible for this feature, as it depends on account history and app policies. If you are eligible and the feature is still not visible, try updating the app through the App Store. Next, go to your device's settings. Select the app, and clear its cache and data. Then, restart the app to see if the feature appears. If it doesn't, try logging out and logging back in by clicking on your profile icon, scrolling down, and tapping on Sign Out, then logging in again with your credentials. If none of these steps work, contact the app's support by going to the Profile section, then Support, and submitting a ticket. Wait for a response, and you should be able to access the feature.